Hello English Go-Getter, and welcome to the third quiz where you have to unscramble sentences in English. And before we start, let's go over the instructions. You will read the words, choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 10 seconds, and then the answer will appear. So let's get started. Question 1. And the correct answer is letter B. When do you clean the car? Question 2. And the correct answer is letter A. Where does she live now? Question 3. And the correct answer is letter C. What time do you wake up? Question 4. The correct answer is letter B. He plays soccer every Saturday. Question 5. The correct answer is letter A. Do you like ice cream? Question 6. And the correct answer is letter C. The store opens at 9 o'clock. Question 7. And the correct answer is letter A. She has a big brown dog. Question 8. And the correct answer is letter B. My brother studies in the library. Hey English Go-Getter, you're halfway there. Keep going.
Yes, 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 yes.
Question 9. And the correct answer is letter C. We go to the park after school. Question 10. And the correct answer is letter A. Who is your English teacher? Question 11. And the correct answer is letter C. They watch TV in the evening. Question 12. And the correct answer is letter B. It rains a lot in April. Question 13. And the correct answer is letter B. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Question 14. And the correct answer is letter A. Does he work on Sundays? Question 15. And the correct answer is letter C. Her favorite color is blue. And the bonus question. And the correct answer is letter A. What is the name of your favorite restaurant? You did it, English Go-Getter. You finished the quiz. Time to celebrate. And how did you do, English Go-Getter? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And thank you for watching, English Go-Getter. I'll see you in the next video.